how to make everything work for you and not against you. Hey, I want to invite you to harness the power of your brain. You see, we have a part in our brain, it's a small one, that is called the reticular activating system. The RAS is always looking for what we are feeding it. Think of it like the Pavlov experiment. They would ring a bell and then feed the dogs. Then once they rang the bell, without even eating, the dogs would start being happy and drooling. It's exactly the same thing. The law of attraction is based on the reticular activating system too. So it's pretty easy. Whatever we think, and now keep this in your mind, no matter if it is realistic or not, our mind tries to make it happen. What is realistic for a conscious has nothing to do with what the subconscious can achieve. Now, I want to make it easy for you. I want to invite you now to close your eyes and think of a rose. Come on, guys, let's do it all. Close your eyes and think of a rose. Really think of a beautiful rose, how it smells and how it feels holding a rose. Really see it with your eyes closed. Now, within the next days, your RAS will bring the rose. Just like this, you will be able to achieve your dreams. And of course, you have to take massive action, as Tony Robbins says, in order to make things happen. But this is the topic for another video. Now, I want to invite you to do the vision exercise. You can download it here for free. It will help you activate your reticular activating system towards your dream life. Of course, I listen to my vision twice every day. Click on the link and just grab it. What is the one action point you will do as a result from this video? I would love to see in the comments. Do you want to become one of the best coaches in the world? That's what we do in Global Academy of Coaching. We train high achievers to become the best coaches in the world. Sign up in the link for an interview, and a Global Academy of Coaching accredited graduate will coach you to see if you're a good fit. Like, follow us. My team and myself have been working really hard to bring to you this video. Grab the chance to get my #1 bestseller ebook completely for free, How to Create Your Life. Until next time, keep thriving.